We live in a world of instant gratification, same-day delivery if not next. What we want is what we expect to get immediately. In the modern world, the tortoise does not win against the rabbit. We want things, and we want them fast. But can it be done with the law of attraction? Can we actually hack this law and manifest to get things faster? Can we attract and expect positivity, success, wealth, and happiness to come to us faster? The good news is, yes, it can be done. Let's look at how we can hack the law of attraction to get immediate results. Every day is a new start, a new beginning. It is said that a good beginning is like a job half done. Are you beginning your day by hitting the snooze button multiple times, or with energy and happiness, looking forward to a day with endless opportunities? A muddled mind will manifest mediocre moments. There is a reason that the majority of all top performers talk about journaling. The sacred act of pen to paper, bringing words to life, helps to ensure that your muddled and confused thoughts are ironed out, and that what remains is a crystal clear clarity regarding of what you want to manifest and how you intend to do it. There is no substitute for this. Keep the phone and the gadgets away for the first hour of your day and write exactly what you want. A clear mind will manifest things that actually matter to you. The beauty of life is how we balance it. There will always be good days and bad. Life is neither a bed of roses nor a bed of thorns. Do not compare your life to someone's social media feed. Most of the people only post their wins and highlights of their life. Rest assured, no one is living their dream life. Everyone, however, can strive to live their best life. It is always darkest before dawn. People who can put things into perspective and remain positive, regardless of what life throws at them, attract more success to their own lives. Remember, hacking the law of attraction does not mean being in denial. There will always be difficult times in life, and balancing that with positive thoughts, followed by constructive action, leads to attracting what we want in life. The past is gone, and the future is yet to arrive. Be in the here and now, for the present is all that counts. The actions that you take can only be taken now. Being in the present is easier said than done. There is always a notification that goes ping and another social media post that we feel the need to be checked immediately. Your mental space belongs to you. You choose what you want to do, with whom you want to do, and how you want to do. Entrepreneurs like Noah Kagan have something they call the word of the year. For an entire year, every time that they are distracted, they repeat the word of the year to themselves to focus again in the present. As a year is pretty long, you can start having a word of the week. It could be words such as simplicity, gratitude, breath, curiosity. Anything that aligns with your goals for yourselves and the success that you have manifested and want to attract faster. Every time that you think you're getting sidetracked from your goals, from the vision that you have yourself, you need to go back to your word of the week, month, or year. You choose the word and you choose the time frame. Just remember, it needs to align with your vision and life goals. End your day with a magical question. The last thing that you will do before you fall into a deserving night of sleep and rest is to ask yourself the magic question. What is the best thing that happened to me today? We have spoken previously about keeping a journal. Successful people also happen to keep a gratitude journal. The reason this is such a great hack is because it makes you think about your entire day and find joy, happiness, and positivity. This being the last action of your day, the message that is sent to your subconscious mind is that you have had a wonderful day. And the subconscious mind will also work to manifest for more such wonderful days. Ready to hack the law of attraction and learn even more methods on how to manifest your ideal life? Hit the subscribe button to learn more about the wonderful ways you can take your life to the next level. Similar to the magical question to end the day, yet another wonderful hack that can be used is to ask yourself positive what-if questions throughout the day. Questions such as, what if I am successful in every project that I start? What if I get an unexpected amount of money to invest? What if I get the opportunity that I have been looking for? What if the problem I am thinking of actually has a pretty simple solution? These positive what-if questions will push you to come up with interesting and innovative solutions and answers to your doubts and questions. Relax, sit back, say your mantra or your word of the year, and breathe deep. There are very few problems that a good night's rest and a few deep breaths do not solve. Life is beautiful and simple. Keep it that way. While breathing is something we have done from the day we are born and will continue to do till the day we die, very few of us know how to actually breathe properly. Look into the box breathing method or even the Wim Hof method. How does breathing hack the law of attraction? Breathing brings you to the present method. There are very few life-changing methods, such as breathing and gathering your thoughts, and bringing yourself back to the present moment. The more you give, the more you get. A common trend among the rich and wealthy is how much they actually give. Philanthropy is part of their lifestyle. Great givers are great getters. Charity and generosities do not decrease wealth. What it brings with it is happiness and prayers for the one who gives. Be it a random act of kindness or a community fundraiser for cancer patients or stray dogs, there is a lot that can be done by us if we are willing to do so. Giving does not always have to be just money. Your support for your loved ones, spending time at an old age home, giving a shoulder for your friends and relatives to cry on. There is so much love and kindness you can give, and the world wants that you will begin to feel like a superhero. Give and continue giving more, and do not be surprised when you end up actually getting more back. This is a proven method to hack the law of attraction and one that has been used for ages. The law of attraction has always been one of the most highly sought after topics in the field of manifestations, success, well-being, and positivity. Now you have the cheat codes to hack the law of attraction and live your life the way you have dreamt and manifested. Use these and spread them far and wide.